Hello guys, and welcome back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use 5G headset hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A12. How to use 5 Wi-Fi hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A12. If you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press like button. Now guys, let's get into the video. Do not skip any part of this video. If you skip my video, you are 5G headset not work. Now guys, first of all, let's tap on connections. Let's tap on mobile networks. Guys, reminder, if you have Samsung Galaxy a 5F version, it will work. If you have a Samsung Galaxy Nature version, this trick will not work. Nature version doesn't support 5G connectivity. Now let's tap on mobile hotspot. And now guys, let's tap on config. And now guys, as you can see here, the other brands provide better performance. As you can see here, tap on band. As you can see here, the 5G available in my Samsung Galaxy A12, as you can see here. Now let's select the band and save the settings and share anything with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and press the like button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe for more exclusive videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget subscribe.